Good morning, children. We are moving to last part of the chapter. Very small chapters, is it not? Very small and interesting chapters. All geometry we can see with our eyes, right? Is it not? Very simple, very easy chapters. Okay, so let's set go. Right. We are now at polygons. What is meant by a polygon? See, before that, see what are all these things? So this is a curve. It's an open curve. It's a closed curve. This is a closed curve. Again, this is an open curve. This is a closed curve. That means there are so many like straight lines, curves, and all this together, some shapes are formed. Okay, right? So now let us see what is meant by a polygon. What is meant by a polygon? So here are the polygons. So every polygon has some definite number of straight lines, and of course it is a closed curve or closed figure, what we call as, right? But while we were discussing lines and curves, at that time also we said even line can be said as a curve. Okay, now let us, only for like simple understanding, let us say that all the polygons must be closed figures. They should not be open at any point. First point. Second one, they should have some definite number of line segments. They should have some definite number of straight lines, or what we call as usually line segments only. Okay, so now here if we see, yes, we have a triangle. What is a triangle? The one which has three sides is a triangle. We have one with four sides. When it is of four sides, we call it as quadrilateral. And the next one, how many sides here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, 5 sides. It's a pentagon. So it is a pentagon. Okay, let us see the table here, which gives us the information about the polygons. So first figure, number of sides? Yes, 3. 1, 2, 3 sides. The name is triangle. Look at the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. It's a quadrilateral. See the spelling. QUADRILATERAL. Quadrilateral. So it's a quadrilateral, right? So the next one is, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of sides here, you have to write it as number of sides to be 5. When 5, it is pentagon. Penta means 5. Okay, it's a pentagon. Now count how many sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, 6 sides. So how many sides here? 6 sides. That is called hexagon. What is the name of a figure which is having 6 sides? It is hexagon. Okay, right. Next one is 7 sides. So you can count and verify whether they are 7 or not. So when 7 sides are there, what is that polygon called? Septagon. What is that called? Septagon. And then comes 8-sided one, right? 8 sides. You can check, children. You can check. Just strike off one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides are here. It is called octagon. So let us again repeat. Every one of you repeat with me again, so that you will be able to remember these very well. So 3-sided polygon called triangle. Tri means see, 3. And 4-sided one, quadrilateral. 5-sided one, pentagon. 6-sided one, hexagon. 7-sided one, septagon. 8-sided one, octagon. So these are all the polynomials, right, which is having different names for different number of sides, right? So the name is given based on Yes, number of sides. Okay, children? Right. So, in these polygons also, we have regular polygon and irregular polygons. Okay, so when do we call a particular polygon as regular polygon is, see, when a polygon has all equal sides and equal angles, then those are called regular polygons. What and what should be equal? Sides, length of the sides must be equal. That means same. All three sides, suppose if a triangle, all three sides are equal. What is that triangle called? Equilateral triangle. Yes, that is a regular polygon. Where the 3 degrees are 60, 60 and 60. Three angles are 60 degrees each one. And what about, suppose if you have four sides equal? Yes, that is a square. When four sides are equal in a polygon and all the angles are 90 degrees each one, so then that is called a square. So from your knowledge, whatever the shapes you have seen, so there we can directly say that the polygons which have equal sides and all equal angles, they are called regular polygons. See, equilateral triangle. So that is a regular polygon. Square is a regular polygon. Okay, so whenever you have all the sides and angles are equal, then they are called pentagon, hexagon, septagon, octagon, or they are all called regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular septagon and regular octagon. So that is how, that means what and what should be same? Length of the sides should be same in the same polygon, as well as the angles between two sides are also same in a given polygon. Then they are all called as regular polygons. Okay, so you have to add regular just before its name. Suppose if it is a hexagon, hexagon means six sides. If all six sides are of equal size as well as angles are equal, then that is called a regular hexagon. That is called a regular hexagon. Similarly, if there are five sides, all sides are equal, all angles are equal, then what we should call it as? Regular pentagon. Very good. Okay, so now let us see the exercise problems. So exercise 14.2. Children, see carefully. Examine whether the following are polygons. If not, why? What is the question? In this there are two questions. One is, see whether it's a polygon or not. If it is yes, you say yes. If no, no. That means one question is done. Now what is the next part of the question? If it is no, why is it not a polygon? Okay, see what is the rule for polygon? I said all the figures should be closed figures. Is the first one a closed figure? No, it is open here. So it is not a polygon. Is it a closed figure? Yes, it is a closed figure. And in addition to that, what is the next rule? It should have certain definite number of lines. Yes, we have four sides, four line segments. So it is a polygon. And now here it is a square circle. We don't have even a single line. Is it not? There is not even a single line segment. It is a circle. It's a completely a closed curve where you don't have straight lines in this. So when there are no straight lines, then this is not a polygon. So next one. Count the number of sides of the polygons and name them. So count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a pentagon. Is it a regular pentagon? Regular means all sides must be equal. See, they are not equal. So therefore it is not a regular pentagon, just a pentagon. Now see this one. 3 sides here, 3 sides here, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 sides. It's an octagon. Is it a regular octagon? No, it's only an octagon. Now see here one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, 6 sides. And observe carefully. All six sides are of same size, as well as the angles are also equal. See the angle, the separation between these two sides. Same, everywhere same. So therefore it is a regular hexagon. It's a regular hexagon. Now look at this triangle. It is a right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, definitely one side is larger than the other two sides. So therefore, it can't be a regular polygon. It's just a triangle. It's not a regular triangle. Okay, children, clear? So I have done in the first one itself to identify whether regular polygons or not. And the second is the same. Identify the regular polygons among the figures. Now I am not going to say anything, dear. It's your job to see. Chalo, come on, check, use, recollect all whatever we have discussed till now and do the problems and post me. Okay, children, very easy chapter. Please enjoy learning. Okay, see you again.